A jar of ricotta forte, as the only thing left in the fridge, is the stern reminder for Mom that it's time she went for grocery shopping. Ricotta forte is the hero ingredient of today's recipe. Mom will show us how to prepare a fish dish with it. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti! The dish of today is fish with a mix of ricotta forte and stewed onion. I will show you the recipe step by step. Let's start!
Per fare la ricotta squallida.
Unlike the much more common fresh ricotta with its mild flavor, ricotta forte means strong in Italian, has an unmistakable pungent taste. It is made from fresh ricotta, letting it mature for several months.
Step number 1. I checked the ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, olive, peppers, tomato sauce, wine, sugar, tomato, dill, garlic, onion, ricotta forte, and fish that are in the fridge.
First, chop the onions. You can use white or red onions. Cut the dill, removing its stem and chopping the leaves. Keep the stem for later. Now we have the tomatoes. Just cut them in half. We are done with the chopping.
Let's move to the stove. Step number 2. We stew the onions.
Turn on the fire. Add some salt into the water. Once you have done that, put in your chopped up onions and let them boil for around 10 minutes. Get a pan and pour in some olive oil and onions. Add a bit of red or white wine. In Toni's home, we use rosso di Manduria, especially in this dish, because this dish is typical of Apulia. Let the onions simmer for 1 hour. Add in a little water if they become too dry. Finally, add a bit of sugar and dill. Blend the onions and keep them warm while we cook the fish.
Keep the water of onion and watch the video until the end. I teach you how to use the water and all leftover. Step number 3.
Squish a garlic clove and add some extra virgin olive oil. Now let's start preparing the condiment. Turn on the fire and pour in some tomato sauce and tomatoes. After it starts sizzling, add some onion water. To give extra taste, we put olives.
If the taste of tomato is a bit acidic, add some sugar.
Remove the garlic clove, or else the taste will be too strong. Once you have done this, you can add your fish. After 5 minutes, the fish should be cooked. At this point, we start adding the ricotta forte. When we add the ricotta forte, we need to put it in the places we want the taste to be, so it is equally spread. Let's leave it to cook for another 5 minutes.
Ready! Step number 4. Here it is. And now my favorite moment. Eating time. I want to know if it's buono or buonissimo. If you think it's buonissimo, let me know in comment below. I tell you that this is buonissimo. If you think so, give me a like. Now, a special tip.
With all the leftovers of our main dish, we can prepare a delicious pasta. We need the onions water, the fish bones, the dill stem, some pasta, and the extra sauce from the main dish. Guys, you got 1 primo and 1 secondo in one go!
Remember, every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
If you have no idea how ricotta forte tastes like, check out the link in the video description below from Serious Eats. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home.